Are you looking for ways to make money without needing to be an expert in any field? Tired of hearing about passive income ideas that sound too complicated or require skills you don't have? Well, what if there were simple, low-skill methods to earn money passively in 2026 that anyone could try? Whether you're a beginner or just looking to add another stream of income, this video is for you. In this video, we shall dive into 8 passive income ideas that don't require advanced skills but still have the potential to earn you steady money over time. These are practical ideas that you can start today. Let's jump in and explore these simple ways to start earning passively. 1. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is one of the easiest ways to make passive income without needing advanced technical skills. You can design ebooks, printable planners, or art prints that you can sell over and over again with minimal effort after the initial setup. Once these products are created and listed on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website, you can continue earning from them as long as they remain available. The beauty of digital products is that they are scalable, meaning you can sell them to an unlimited number of customers worldwide. You don't need to worry about shipping or inventory. Plus, if you create something valuable, customers will keep coming back for more, generating long-term income. If you're creative, you can design anything from wall art to educational templates. The possibilities are endless. And as your catalog grows, so will your income. This is an excellent side income idea for anyone looking to earn money without spending all their time on it. Once the product is ready, you don't need to do much else besides marketing it occasionally. Just create, upload, and watch your earnings grow. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to earn money passively. Essentially, it involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral link. You don't need to create your own products, and it doesn't require technical expertise, just the ability to share useful products with your audience. Platforms like Amazon, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate offer countless opportunities to promote products in a variety of niches. Once you've set up a blog, social media profile, or YouTube channel, you can start sharing affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. The best part? You can keep earning while you sleep, especially if you create content that's evergreen, content that stays relevant for months or even years. For example, a review article or a how-to guide with affiliate links can continue to earn you money well after it's published. The key to success is finding products or services that align with your audience's interests and promoting them in a natural, helpful way. With patience and consistency, affiliate marketing can become a great passive income stream. 3. Renting out a room or property. If you have extra space in your home, renting it out can be a great passive income option. Airbnb and Vrbo have made it easier than ever to rent out a spare room, guest house, or even an entire property. Whether it's for short-time rentals or long-time tenants, property rental can generate consistent income with relatively little effort once everything is set up. The beauty of renting out property is that it's a set-it-and-forget-it income stream. Once the rental is listed, your main task is managing bookings and maintaining the property. The rest is automated. If you're not interested in doing the work of renting, you can hire a property manager. It's an excellent way to earn passive money, especially if you live in a high-demand area. Renting out space doesn't require advanced skills, but it does require some upfront investment in property and maintenance. It can take time to see returns, but once the setup is complete, you can enjoy ongoing earnings without much active work on your part. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to start an online store without worrying about inventory or shipping. You create an online store, list products from suppliers, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't need to manage products or handle logistics, making it an excellent option for beginners. While dropshipping doesn't require advanced skills, you'll need to learn about marketing and creating a website. Thankfully, platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it easy to get started, even if you have no technical background. Once your store is set up, you can promote it through social media, paid ads, or content marketing. The key to success in dropshipping is finding reliable suppliers and products that have demand. Even though the profit margins can be slim, Dropshipping offers a scalable way to build a passive income business over time. Once the store is running smoothly and customers are flowing in, you can enjoy passive earnings with very little effort on a daily basis. 5. Selling stock photos. If you enjoy photography, you can start selling your photos as stock images. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy allow you to upload your images and earn money each time someone downloads them. You don't need to be a professional photographer, just someone who can capture high-quality, relevant images. Stock photography is a great way to earn passive income because your photos can be sold unlimited times after the initial upload. With the right niche, such as business, travel, nature, or lifestyle, you can attract buyers looking for specific content. The more images you upload and the more diverse your portfolio, the better your chances of earning a steady income. Over time, stock photo sales can become a reliable passive income stream, especially if you're consistent about uploading new images. If you have a knack for photography, this could turn into a nice side income with minimal effort required once the photos are up for sale. 6. Create an online course. If you're skilled in a specific area, you can create and sell an online course on platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. Whether it's a professional skill or a hobby, there are always people looking to learn new things. Once the course is created, it becomes a source of passive income, as you can continue to earn money from course sales long after the course is launched. Creating an online course might take some initial effort to plan, record, and edit the material, but once the work is done, the course can sell on autopilot. The more value and quality you provide, the more people will buy it. You don't need advanced technical skills to create a course, just knowledge on a subject that others want to learn about. From language learning to photography to personal finance, there's a wide range of topics that can be turned into a course. Once the course is online, it can continue to generate passive income, and you can even update or expand the content to grow your earnings further. 7. Create content. If video is your medium of choice, you can earn money by uploading your original creations to YouTube and setting up your account for monetization with the YouTube Partner Program. There's no limit to the types of videos you can create: informational, short films, original music, or even ambient noise. However, there are a number of requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program, including a minimum number of views and followers. Once you're eligible, you can start earning money from ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Content creation can be a long-term investment of time, but with dedication and consistent uploads, it can eventually lead to a steady income stream. The best part is that you can continue earning from your older videos, especially if they remain relevant. For creators who enjoy sharing their skills or passions, YouTube offers a unique opportunity for passive income over time. 8. Buying and selling websites or domains. Another way to make passive income is by buying and selling websites or domains. Just like flipping houses, you can buy small websites, improve them, and then sell them for a profit. You can find websites for sale on platforms like Flippa, which allows you to buy websites that are already generating some traffic or income, then optimize and sell them later at a higher price. Website flipping doesn't require advanced skills, but it helps if you understand basic SEO, website management, and how to drive traffic. The more value you add to the website, the higher you can sell it for. This is a more hands-on passive income idea, but once you've flipped a few websites, it can become a reliable and profitable side business with minimal ongoing effort. These are just a few of the top passive income ideas that require little to no advanced skills to get started. Whether it's creating digital products, renting out space, or even flipping websites, there's a world of easy passive income opportunities out there waiting for you. If you found these ideas helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on building passive income and achieving financial freedom. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.